All right, parents, today's homeschooling tip is going to be healthy snacks at homeschool. All right, look, let me tell you something. You are responsible for your homeschool kids' health. All right, you're responsible for their nutrition, what they're, putting in their body, okay? It's all on you. There's no school, so it's all on you. So you want to make sure that you get them good nutritional snacks. Okay, one of the things that I do is you can see all my videos, right? Go back and look at my videos. I do smoothies all the freaking time. All the time I do smoothies, all right? And I do really good smoothies. And one of the main purpose of the smoothies is to get the dark green, leafy green vegetables in the kids' system. Why do I say dark green leafy green vegetables? Because it's highly nutritious, okay? And a lot of kids don't get it. They don't get those dark greens, man. I'm telling you, the dark greens got copper in it. Yes, it does got copper. Yes, it has carbon. Okay, it has other nutrients. It has some of them have vitamin K. The K vitamins and the collard greens. That's what I love to give to Zakai. And the collard greens has a lot of iron, it has a lot of copper, and it has a lot of carbon in it. So if you don't do anything else, all right, you making your kids lunch and everything, and you getting their lunch and everything, get them a smoothie. That'll balance it out. Because when you get them a smoothie, you want to get them like the berries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. You want to get them some form of organic juice, and make sure that these they're organic. So, for example, with me, I do organic frozen foods, organic berries, organic raspberries, and blueberries. Okay, I do those mangoes. We do watermelon. We do all kind of fruit, but we put it in a smoothie. And the number one thing that we always put in there is bananas, organic bananas. It's a must. All right. So remember, parents. Okay, and this is serious. I'm saying this is not a joke. Like, this is when it comes to the nutrition, because you have to understand, if the kid is not nutritionalized properly, how they gonna think? How are they going to be able to think in class? How are they going to be able to focus in their homeschool learning? They need brain food. You know what I mean? So you make them a smoothie, you getting all those berries in there, man, that's straight brain power. And then you getting them collard greens in their system, or you getting romaine lettuce in their system, you getting those type of vegetables in their system. That's super power foods of the planet, right? Especially blueberries. All right, look up the benefits of blueberries. Look up the benefits of all those berries that I've mentioned, and those are very nutritional for their brain. Okay, and we all know that copper is a high conductor of electricity. So when you got the collard greens, or you got any dark green leafy green vegetable, has copper in it. You got the carbon in it, and it's very, very good for you. Your body is made of copper and carbon. The brain, copper and carbon. Okay, so you need those dark green leafy green vegetables in the kids' system. All right, remember, parents, you're responsible for your kids' nutrition at homeschool. So let's make that nutrition good. Get them a smoothie. All right, like I said, that's what I do with my son Zakai. I hope that was a good tip for you, parents, and I will see you in the next video tip.